Ashokrao Mane Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences and Research, SABE, AIM, Growth Curve of Bacteria, presented by Sakshi Suryavanshi, Ajit Sawant, guided by Mr. Azad Dhage. Bacterial growth times bacterial growth refers to the increase in number of bacterial cells, typically studied in a controlled environment. Growth occurs in phases, each with distinct characteristics that can be observed in a closed system, such as a test tube or Petri dish. Phases of the bacterial growth curve. 1. Lag phase. The period between inoculation and the beginning of multiplication is known as the lag phase. 2. Log, exponential, phase. During this phase, the cells divide steadily at a constant rate, and the log of the number of cells plotted against time results in a straight line. The bacteria multiply at their maximum rate, and their number increases exponentially or by geometric progression with time. The time required for one bacterial division during this phase is known as generation time. 3. Stationary phase. In this phase, a constant high population of cells is maintained by a balance between cell division and cell death. The rate of multiplication is reduced because depletion of nutrients, accumulation of toxic waste products, very high concentration of cells, and low partial pressure of oxygen. 4. Death, decline, phase. The death or decline phase is also known as the logarithmic death phase. During death phase, the number of viable cells decreases exponentially, essentially the inverse of growth during the log phase. Factors affecting bacterial growth. 1. Temperature. Optimal growth occurs at specific temperatures, psychrophilic, mesophilic, or thermophilic. 2. pH levels. Most bacteria prefer a neutral pH, but some thrive in acidic or alkaline conditions. 3. Nutrient availability, essential for all stages, affects growth rate and survival. 4. Oxygen levels. Different bacteria require different oxygen levels, aerobic versus anaerobic. Applications of understanding bacterial growth curves. Microbial ecology, insights into population dynamics and ecosystem roles. Medicine, critical for antibiotic development and infection control. You'll never forget to buy milk. Food industry helps in designing preservation techniques to inhibit bacterial growth. Conclusion: understanding the bacterial growth curve is essential in various fields, from healthcare to environmental management. This knowledge helps control bacterial populations in diverse applications, improving safety and efficiency.